Yeah, cool. How's IDC so far?
I feel lack of time, not enough time. Guys, nervous, very nervous.
Why you want to be an instructor?
I want to change a new job, change a new environment. I only know diving. Other than that, I don't know what to do. So I try. Maybe I can success in this diving industry.
Okay, cool. Why BNJ?
Why BNJ? I love BNJ. Since I open water, BNJ until now.
Ben and Nikki is teaching you how's the method.
Very good. Very good.
You want to elaborate that? Elaborate.
Oh, it's good. I know they're very experienced. It's very high level. Yeah, it's many years of experience, and I know them so many years already. So I know how he teaching people is very follow the standard. It's good.
When you become an instructor, what's your vision? What do you want to achieve for maybe for yourself and maybe for the upcoming students that you're gonna have in the industry?
I will try to teach as much as possible. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.